इंडिया गए हुए हैं।
ये सबसे लंबी लंबी लाइन है।
See, it's ready.
Cookie soda,
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hey Shri. Here's Shivan. Okay, so come here. Yay! And today we are making a vlog about our evening adventure kind of thing because we are going out. It's been since morning. I'm at home because I'm working from home and I really want to go out. So we are going to Staples because we are running short on some of our stationery items and we want a coloring book for Shivan. Shivan, you want a coloring book? So that's why let's take you to Staples. This is my first visit to Staples. I've never been to Staples. I've heard a lot about it. So this is going to be my first visit to the Staples. So let's go there, explore, and I would love to see what they all have there in terms of stationery, in terms of other items. I'm just going to explore that. So let's go. The temperatures are really low here, so it is essential to dress up in layers. What are you doing? This is Shivan's. So we are ready. Oi, Shivan, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so Arun is coming from office, so we are just going down towards the parking because he's waiting for us there. So see you in the car.
We have some French fries and smileys.
Look at the smileys.
Dum.
Yeah?
Dum.
Drum? You want a drum? Chia, why are you torturing him? Get back. Popat. Papa is there. Where is Papa?
Big grey car.
Where's your big grey car?
Yes.
Go. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, it has an Indian grocery shop here as well. What's the name? Mr. India. Does it belong to Anil Kapoor? Okay. We can come here. It has a restaurant as well in it.
It's Haveli.
Haveli, yes. You're not going to miss. Where is Haveli? Karnal.
Karnal, yeah.
Okay, so here is Staples. You want Paw Patrol?
Yes.
Oh, you have Paw Patrol on your jacket as well.
Yes. And this. This ball is so cute. No, this one. No. Are you kidding me? Really, but $9 में
I really like this thing. This is a lunchbox.
Pop doll. I want pop doll.
Paw Patrol?
Yes.
This is aisle 5.
What is this, metal or what?
It's metal.
आप उसके लिए तो जाओ।
What is this? Gorilla glue?
Yeah.
And this is for $10? $10.49.
कौन सी बुक चाहिए आपको, तो बताओ। ये लो, छोड़ दो उसको। ये बुक लो आप, ये देखो।
Shivan, Paw Patrol coloring book.
कलरिंग बुक से। पापा पिक? No.
He already has Peppa Pig. Either he wants the Paw Patrol or the Cars one. Oh, look.
हाँ, ये ले लो ना।
But he already has Peppa Pig. Where is Peppa Pig? You pick it up. These are also good. What? What do you want? You want clay? Look at this. A 3-year-old and a 12-year-old. Both of them want similar things. Shivan, get this.
जब सोच रही है ये फिर।
Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, an activity book.
But this is for grade 1. अभी नहीं है। This is the one.
Shivan, what do you want now? Why do you want Hot Wheels now? You already have so many cars at home. No more Hot Wheels. No, I'm ignoring you. At Staples, one can buy laptops, electronics, phones, screens, speakers, and accessories related to that. And it's not limited to stationery items, but one can find luggage, study table, furniture, chairs, and we found printer here too.
This one? Blue?
I have sorted out the blue cars for him.
This one. This is so cute.
Show me. It's a racer car.
He chose it. He chose it.
ये अच्छी है। This one good.
I selected that.
It's just like math. So
Yeah,
like,
it's a mat.
Yeah.
Okay, चलो। Let's go. से ये करो। ये अब किसी का दो, किसी का दो। Thank you. चलो।
Crazy about Hot Wheels.
Yeah.
हाँ।
Are you happy?
Is he wiping off his tears? खुशी के आंसू.
This is what I said.
Shall we?
Let's go. Say bye.
You should have walked through this.
Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm happy you got your highlighters. Oh my.
They have fresh samosa.
How do you know?
It was written over here. Fresh.
Oh my god, look at the front. Oh my god, they have India gate over here. And smells like Indian masalas. The lights of this fridge are blinking.
This is so pink. Pink number 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, and this has partially has pink.
Yeah, oh my god, it's so pinky.
Let's go.
We have Gorilla Glue.
Oh, they have pizza here. See?
You wanna eat pizza?
We have pizza at home.
Okay?
Sure. It's so cold outside. I really need this heater. This is my blessing. Are we not going to Tim? Are we going to Tim? Yay!
ये सबसे लंबी लंबी लाइन है.
Done for Tim Hortons.
Okay.
Very small or medium?
Small.
क्या? Chocolate cake चाहिए. Okay. What's coin laundry?
Coin laundry, where is it?
Over there, in front.
There.
Oh. So coin laundry is a concept that if you don't want to wash your clothes at home, or in case you don't have a washing machine, then you can go here, take your clothes, all your dirty linens there, and they charge you something. I'm not sure what the charges are, and you can wash your clothes and get it dry as well. So basically it's a paid laundry system. Basically desi bhasha mein it's a paid dhobi card where you go and wash your clothes. So yeah, if your washing machine is not working properly.
One small French vanilla. 5 chocolate Timbits. And do you have some donuts? Chocolate donut?
Chocolate dip donut.
Chocolate dip donut? Yes. One piece of that chocolate dip donut. Anything else? That's it. Thank you.
Vanilla. Oh, it's written FV over here, no? Yeah. Before we move forward, I want to add this clip also to this video, because we went to Mississauga Ram Mandir to celebrate our first Lohri here in Canada. It was so cold outside that we made kids sit into the car. They were obviously watching through the windows, and we did the whole circle around the fire to take the blessings. So my evening adventures also include my cooking tasks. So I'm making Kadhai Mushroom today. These are the masalas which I'm going to add to Kadhai Mushroom. So these spices are the regular spices which we have in our kitchen. Salt, garam masala, dhania, red chili powder and turmeric, haldi. That's it. The browning color. That means that mushrooms are all done. I'm adding spices to this. Once all these spices are cooked, we are going to add our final element to bind this all together. My final ingredient, this is tomato puree, and this is going to change the whole look of this. So these are 2 tomatoes. So the tomato is going to get cooked, and then look at the color, the final color. See, it's ready. Dun dun dun. That's it for today's vlog, guys. So in today's vlog, we just went out for evening drive because sometimes it gets really lonely and bored in here. So going out is like having a fresh breath of air. So we just went out to Staples and we saw an Indian store nearby. So just thought of exploring that. Raisha wanted to buy some highlighters and Shivan wanted his coloring books. So we just went to Staples for that, and of course we wanted this Gorilla Glue as well. So I cooked Kadhai Mushroom and now we are going to enjoy our slow snowy evening. Do follow, like, share and comment. Yeah,
Paw Patrol book.
I'll get you the Paw Patrol book. So see you in the next vlog. Till then, bye.